Good afternoon, children. I hope you all are fit and fine and you are learning more and more through this online teaching. So it's good if you are doing this. Children, in the previous video, I told you about the different kinds of charts and how to create the charts in Kelsey. So I hope you all have watched the videos and you have come to know how to create the charts and which type of charts given in the Kelsey. Now I just stopped my video on the topic moving and resizing a chart. So today is a day when I am going to start the moving and resizing of a chart. Children, as I told you that if you have taken a chart and you want to change its type, so you can change it. So along with that, you can move your chart also and you can resize your chart. See, once a chart appears on the worksheet, it can be moved and resized as per your requirement. So let's try it to move and resize a chart. So you have to see the steps which I will speak and I'll send you the PDF. From the PDF, you have to read all the steps carefully. All the steps very carefully. So first of all, this is the chart which is prepared by you. This is the original chart. Now what will you do? Click on the chart. You will click here. Then resizing handles also appears. You can see the resizing handles. These small squares are called resizing handles. Okay. So these are resizing handles. Now also corner changes to hand shape. You can say also the corner. See, in the corner also you will find the hand shape. Here on this chart I have told you the sizing handles. Now second step is to move the chart, means you are to drag it. Means up, you are to just press the mouse, that left mouse button and drag your chart. So like this you can change the position and the spacing of your chart and the location of your chart. To move the chart, drag it from anywhere inside the chart and drop it. So after dragging, where you want to drop it, you can leave the mouse at the required place. To resize it, drag the sizing handles. See, if you want to just make these columns big, means you want to make them in big size. So what can you do? You can just move the sizing handles. You can drag them. So if you drag the sizing handles, you will resize your chart. You will resize your chart very easily. Now next is, see like this. This is original chart and this is after resizing. So after resizing, your chart will look like this as it is shown in the screen. Now come on, changing the other chart properties. See, we have some other features also which we will learn in this content. Changing the other chart properties. Once a chart has been created, it is possible to customize it further as per your requirements. You can change its background. See, if you want to apply some background, you can apply. Chart title, if you want to change, you can change. X-axis, Y-axis titles you want to change, you can add it. And properties, position of the legends. And also give data labels to data series. So what can you change here? There are different content which you can change. See, the different one is background. Others I told you in the previous contents that you can change them. See now here how to change. To format the chart colors. See here, to format the chart colors. If you want to change the colors of these all columns, you can change. See, double click on the chart. So first of all you have to double click here. Then the chart edit toolbar appears. Here you can see the chart edit toolbar. This is the chart edit toolbar. and from the chart object drop down menu list you can select the chart element. From here you can select the chart element. See, on the screen it is not clearly visible as it is a PDF. When I will send you the PDF and when you will open it in your mobile phone, you can watch it very easily because it is a big screen and it is not just clear on this. So don't worry, I will send you the PDF. So here what is this? Select the chart element to edit its property as required. So here the fields are given. So which field you want to change, you can edit that. Now come on next. Here the colors are given: gray 5, gray 6, orange, yellow, red, pink, all these. So you can change the colors also. Okay, border area transparency it is. You can change it. Then after that, number 3, come here. Here gray 5 is selected. So the background is of gray color. Background is of gray color. If you have a background at the back of the chart, your chart columns or your chart appearance will be very much clear. Now come on number 3, click on format selection button. Format selection button. The chart area dialog box appear. This is the chart area dialog box, and from the color drop down list, select the color. These are the colors I told you, colors to fill. Now click on OK button. So after selecting the properties as per your requirement, you will click on OK button. I hope it is clear. So you have to read all these steps again to get it more and more clear. Next is to change the legend properties. I told you what are legends. See, these are legends. These are legends given, like which are basically showing these columns. Okay, and these are shown with colors also. So select legend object from the drop down list. Look here. See what is given here. Legends. Border area, temporarily, font effects, and position. Left, right, top, bottom. So if you want it on bottom, you can just click on bottom. See here, bottom is given. If you want the legends on top, you can put on top, right, left. That is as per your choice. So your legend will come on that direction or position where you want. Now come on to change the chart title properties. You can change the properties of the main title by following the given steps. So here what is given? Marks comparison given. You want to change it. So how will you change? Look here on the steps. Number 1, select main title from the drop down list. Select the main title from the drop down list, and the chart title gets selected. Click on the format selection button. Click on the format selection button. See here also the handles are given to increase its size of the title size. From the drop down menu, the drop down list, you will select the main title, and after that you will click on the format selection button. The main title dialog box opens, specifies the property. We are changing the background color here and the font properties. So how will you do this? First of all, you will go to the title dialog box, then you will specify the properties, and after that OK button. So after selecting the properties, everywhere you are to click on OK button to give the confirmation. So the chart title gets modified like this, because this color is given by you, the size of the font given by you, and the style of font is also given by the user. So it depends on your choice. Now come on to change the data series properties. To change the data series properties. See, these are the data series. So you can change the properties of any or all series and also give data labels to these. You can change the property of any or all data series. Like colors you can change, like borders you can change, and also give data labels to these. Let's try it. To change data series property, first of all select the data series like maths. This is maths and these are the data series. Click on the format selection button, same everywhere. For changing the properties, the same button will be selected. After that, number 2, these are see here data series. I am taking the area. Click on the area tab and select a new color from the color drop down list. These are the colors given. Click on the OK button. So after that, what will happen? See this red color you have taken, it will be changed to red color. Fine. So here what you can say, you can see that the color of this bar, this column is changed as per your choice. This is the dark maroon color. Color changes for maths. Only maths we want to change now. Here we wanted to change only maths data series. So only maths data series is changed. In this chart it is blue and in this chart it is maroon. Because you have, the user has changed it. So it depends on your choice. Now to insert data labels. Now we have to change the data labels. The data labels are the numbers displayed along data series to show the value attained by the data series in our graph. See now. See this pillar, this column is showing. See, select, first of all you will select them. Select a data series drop down list. Here what is given, this option is insert data labels. The data series in charts gets selected. When you will select a data series, the data series will be selected in this. After that, number 2, right click. You have to just click the right button of the mouse on the data series and select the insert data labels option. Here you can see the insert data label option is given. Then click here on that second number step. After that, number 3, what will happen? Look here. Repeat step 1 and 2 to add data labels to other data series. Here you have to repeat first step and second step to add data labels. You can see here there is no labeling, but here we are finding the labeling 70, 56, 99, 25, 82. These are labeling. Fine. So by repeating step number 1 and 2, you will add the data labels to the data series. So this was a very interesting chapter. I hope everything is clear to you. Here very important thing is to learn the steps. To learn the steps very carefully. So if you learn the steps very nicely, if you learn them very carefully, it will be easy for you to do all the changes, all the addition and resizing and moving of chart. So you have to read this chapter very carefully. I hope all will read it and all will just try to solve the exercise also. So I will send you the PDF from which you have to read this chapter.